Everyone, I'm back. It's been a while since I last posted, I think something like 10 to 11 weeks. A lot of things have happened in the meantime. One thing though, I haven't lost focus on continuing to build up the BenchBudEE app itself. So in this session, I think we're up to session number 8, I'm going to summarize where I'm at through a small demo of the BenchBudEE app and communicating with the Contextual Electronics BenchBudEE board itself. Okay, so what do you see in front of you? You should see the Contextual Electronics BenchBudEE board itself. To your left will be the ATX power supply. There is the Arduino Uno at the top. Sitting on top of the Uno is a RedBearLab BLE Shield. I think I'm using version 2.0. You'll also see a small breadboard which has 5 LEDs jumping into the LED circuit of the Contextual Electronics BenchBudEE board itself. The obvious thing you'll notice is that I haven't mounted the Uno onto the Contextual Electronics board. In fact, what I've done is I've simply jump it in pins with jumper wires. The reason behind that is because the BLE Shield board was conflicting with the digital pins on the Contextual Electronics board, so I wasn't able to get a reliable connection, or any connection actually, with the RedBear board if it was mounted onto the Contextual Electronics board. Okay, so that's enough about that. Let's fire up the BenchBudEE app. Okay, so there you'll see the screenshot of the BenchBudEE app. I'm quite happy with the current layout of the board. Alright, so let's prove if the app actually can communicate with the Contextual Electronics BenchBudEE board. So let's power it on. Alright, so a couple of good things happening there. I can hear the ATX power supply coming on in the background. I have a power indicated status light on the RedBear board, and for some reason, not quite sure why, but the LEDs themselves from the LED circuit are lit. Alright, I'm simply going to tap on the on-off switch on the app. The immediate thing that happens there is a BLE Shield indicator, or not indicator, sorry, BLE Shield comes up on the main display. I'm simply going to tap on that, and if I get a connection, it should bring up the main display layout itself. Alright, now all things being equal, I should have communications between the app and the board. What I'm going to do first off though is turn those LED lights off just in case they are annoying. I'm going to hit the LED selector, and then I'm going to put a value of 0 into the LED and then hit the enter key. And there you go, it turns the LEDs off themselves. Alright, now since we've done that, we've done a small test of the LED circuit. Let's go ahead and test the relay circuit. So I'm just going to tap on the relay button, and a couple of things happen. So we get the relay status light comes on, and hopefully audibly you heard the click of the relay itself. Let's just do that again. That turns it off. And I like doing this. Right, so let's put in some values for the LED as well. So hopefully you should see a change in intensity. So I'm just going to exercise all the gain status indicators, and the bypass indicators. Pick the relay times, turn the LEDs off. You'll notice when I do the DAC and the ADC, some values pop into the main display. They're just simply test values. There's no communications between the ADC and the DAC at this point in time with the Contextual Electronics BenchBudEE board itself. Okay, so there you have it. That's my current status of the BenchBudEE app, and as you can see, it does communicate with the Contextual Electronics BenchBudEE board. Yippee! So that's the end of this session. See how I go with trying to get a couple more sessions up on how I went about achieving this result. But that's it. Bye for now.